My name is Paulina Ojo-Kwarten with Galaxy Tech News Ghana, bringing you the latest technology updates around the world. The headline: MTN Ghana unveils plan to train 100,000 Ghanaian youth through a new skills academy. Chief Corporate Services and Sustainability Officer at MTN Ghana, Adwoa Efriye-Wiafe, has announced MTN's goal to train 100,000 Ghanaian youth in digital skills by 2025 through its MTN Skills Academy platform. The MTN Skills Academy is a pioneering initiative in Ghana which aims to offer digital and financial skills training across Africa through technology and partnerships. The program targets individuals aged 15 to 24, providing career guidance, digital and financial skills training, job placement assistance, work readiness, and mentorship. The MTN Skills Academy training program aims to administer skills such as mobile app development, social media management, and data analytics. It aims to provide access to digital and financial skills training across Africa, with a focus on enhancing digital proficiency among young Africans. It is also designed to empower young individuals with valuable skills, enhancing their competitiveness in the job market and increasing their chances of securing employment. The government of Ghana's initiatives to establish the country as a digital and technological hub received a significant boost by telecom and technology giant MTN Ghana, with the launch of its new training program. The MTN Skills Academy has the potential to make a significant positive impact on the lives of many young Ghanaians. It represents an encouraging stride in empowering the youth and equipping them for success in the digital era. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more innovative updates in the world of technology.